They say time is money, but for CEOs, time is everything. The most successful leaders don't just work harder, they work smarter. And now, even the way they share their productivity hacks has changed. Instead of spending hours writing blog posts, they are using AI to create them in minutes. Do you see this blog? It was written in under 3 minutes, completed with images and headlines, infographics, even FAQs added at the bottom of your blog with a YouTube video. I didn't type a single word myself. Let me show you how I did this using autoblogging.ai. After you log in, on your left panel, there are going to be different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard. This is where you set exactly how the AI should create your blog. Article title, I'm typing here, productivity hacks CEOs swear by in 2025. Now it has keyword rich for SEO and instantly appeals to reader. Next, for the language, I'm going to keep it English, but Autoblogging supports 30 languages, so you can publish for readers anywhere in the world. Next, for the length, I'm going to keep it medium. It's enough to explain each hack clearly without overwhelming the readers. Short is best for quick and a bite-sized list, and long is perfect for deep dive guides and detailed explanation. In the type of article, I'm going to pick informative because it is ideal for explaining techniques, methods, and strategies in detail. But here's what others do. Listicle, it turns into a numbered list format for easy scanning. Places is a list of location or an event related to your topic. And service bar landing pages is it focuses on promoting service or offers. Next, for the tone of voice, I'm going to keep second person. So this way the blog speaks directly to the reader. First person is more like sharing your personal experience, and third person is more formal and objective coverage. Next, for the style, I'm going to keep it conversational. It's easy to follow, professional and approachable. Here's what others do. Witty adds a playful humor. Professional is more formal. Premium style 1 is an SEO structure optimized for search ranking. Snippet optimizer is structured for Google's quick answer box. Less AI word sounds more natural, and auto is where AI choose the style based on your current topic. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimize article. It boosts the keyword targeting for productivity hacks and related terms. FAQs is autoblogging will automatically add a question answer section at the end of your blog with questions people are already searching on Google. AI images will add relevant visuals automatically, and infographics create a simple visual summaries of the tips. Next, SERP analysis. Now, Autoblogging scans the top ranking productivity hack like articles, studies their structure, and shape your blog to compete that. So you don't have to do any guesswork here. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a note here. And for the location, you can also select the country where you want to rank first. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition gets a proven content structure from top results. YouTube video will add a relevant video directly inside your blog. External link will add links to trusted sources for credibility. Key takeaways, it adds a short summary of the main points at the end of your blog. Next, AI proofreading, just enable this and quickly leave a note here so it checks the grammar, spelling and readability automatically before the blog is even delivered. Next, internal linking, just enable this and quickly leave your website here. Autoblogging will scan your existing post and automatically link relevant words in your new blog to those older posts. So this works for any niche. It keeps readers exploring your site for longer. It improves the SEO and also helps search engine understand your site structure better. Next, human proofreading. Now this one is optional, but if you want a real editor to review the blog for tone, clarity and flow, just enable this and quickly leave a note here. It requires a human proofreading credits which you can purchase from our dashboard. Now hit on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down and wait for the view like icon here, click on that. And here's your finished productivity hack blog with SEO optimized images, headlines, even infographics added with FAQs and a relevant YouTube video. But if you want to be quicker next time, here's what you can do. Go to quick and single and just enter your blog title here. With the fewer clicks, you can generate an article. It is just as same as Wizard, but with fewer clicks. And if you need 10, 20, or even 100 blogs at once, you can use our bulk generate option, and it will do all of the blog title at once, and you can even auto post directly to WordPress. AI is making it faster than ever to share valuable insights. With autoblogging.ai, you can go from idea to publish ready blogs in minutes, leaving you more time to focus on work that matters. And if you would rather skip the setup, you can also try our done for you blog service, where we'll handle the writing, SEO, and visuals for you. If this video helped, hit a like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more AI powered blogging.